Good morning. It's Davida. How you all doing today? So I am back with another pour. I mean, what else would I be doing on YouTube? A makeup tutorial? Anyway, I'm sure you all are familiar with Erica Hughes. She does some terrific work. And a few months back, she did a pour that kind of had a marble type base by mixing two colors. So that looked kind of interesting. Let me see if I could, do something like that. Excuse me. So that's what we're going to do today. I really like simple, minimalistic type pours. That kind of, where I gravitate toward. So this pour is three colors. Artist Loft Black, Modern Masters Sassy Red, and Titanium Pearl White. So that's what I'm going to be using. I'm trying another voiceover, which is what you're going to see next. So without further ado, let's get this pour started. Oh, and I don't know, depending on how well it turns out, there might be some dancing at the end. I know I promised you all some dancing, and when I didn't dance, he had the nerve to call me out in the comments. We didn't see any dancing. Okay, so I'm going to try to do some dancing. We will see. So, yeah, let's get this pour started. So I've painted my sides to cover any areas that are not covered by the runoff when I blow this paint out. My first color here you'll see is Artist Loft Black mixed with 10 ounces of floetrol. I did not add any water. It is a thin consistency. And I actually added a squirt of Mars Black to blacken it up or deepen the black a little better. This is Artist Loft Flow White. Artist Loft Flow Black and Modern Masters Sassy Red, which made this delicious looking, almost burgundy-ish color. And the Sassy Red gave it a really nice sheen. And I'm going to throw in a little bit of white. This is Amsterdam's Pearl White. And I mixed this with a little bit of floetrol and a little bit of polyacrylic. Now, I'm just laying this paint down. No particular rhyme or reason. As I mentioned before, after watching a Erica Hughes video, And she did this type of marbling by laying the paint down and then just bluing it out in various directions using a hairdryer. And it really gave a pretty effect for a base coat. So here I'm using my hairdryer. I purchased off of Amazon for about $30. It's called a Yaiho, I believe is pronounced. Lightweight blower for travel and home. It's small but mighty, and it is moving the paint around very easily. So here I'm adding a thin line of the Amsterdam Pearl White. A very, I would say, minimalistic type of pour. I just wanted hints of white against this very intricate marble-like base. So I'm going to take my blow dryer and blow that out. Okay, you all. Here is take 2. I liked it so much, I had to do it twice. So I made a sister piece using the same technique, blowing it out on the canvas with my hairdryer, trying to create a marble type effect with the base. So I moved the first piece next to it, the second piece, so I can line up my placement of the pearl white. So I'm going to do the same thing I did before. Blow out this pearl white. And it's going to match up perfectly once it's set next to the first piece. Alright, so let's set them next to each other and see how they look together. Well, that turned out pretty. Yeah, I like that. So, 3 colors. Simple, very simple pour to do. I think it turned out really well. So, why don't you get your paints together and give it a go yourself. All right. It's all dancing you're going to get. Yeah, I really like the way those 3 colors played well together. And the marble type effect with the black and the combination of the sassy red and the black, that just looked so nice together. Throwing in that white, just giving it some contrast. I really liked it. So, I'm going to show you something I've been working on. Let's see. So someone mentioned in the comments about this piece behind me. So there it is. It's a very simple black and white piece it's not a pour. It's a paintbrush I used. Black base, 3 colors, gray or silver, white, and black. And I made the frame also. So there's some other things that are going on in Abstract and Flow Studio that I don't really do a video for, because it's a little process when you're doing an abstract piece, and you gotta let layers dry and but yeah. So if you see something that I am working on or something within my studio that catches your eye, contact me via, the comment section or my Instagram page. Link is below, because all of my work is available. It is available. So that's it, folks. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for all your support on my collab video. Have a blessed day. Stay safe. See you next point.